Hello, in front of me I've got Snapchat. In this video I'll show you how to upload long video to Snapchat story. Using the Snapchat camera, you can record up to 60 seconds. It splits into multiple clips. For longer videos from your gallery, trim them to 60 seconds or use apps to split them. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.